Let me show you some tips and tricks for Xiaomi 15T and 15T Pro. Of course, many of these features can be found on other Xiaomi devices or maybe on other smartphones in general, but still, I believe it is worth mentioning them. We're gonna start with the app drawer. Over here in the upper right corner, we can find a setting that allows you to customize the app drawer, where we can disable app suggestions. We can, for example, turn off categories if you don't need them. And what you can also do is customize the background, because usually we just have like a white or black background on the app drawer, and you can actually adjust the transparency so you can slightly see the wallpaper on the app drawer, which can be, of course, quite cool change to make. Now on the home screen, what you can also do is you can press and hold your finger on an empty space, and then once you go into this editing mode, you can go to settings, and in here you should be able to find the transition effects. So you can change the animation that we have between home screen pages. So as you can see, we can try to find our favorite animation that you want to use, and then we can tap on done. There we go. And you have this little cool animation that we can use instead of this standard one. Now, let's go to settings. In settings, there are many different things that I actually want to show you. First, let's go to Wi-Fi. Over here in Wi-Fi, if we go to network acceleration, you should be able to find dual band Wi-Fi speed boost, which can be quite useful to use. We can choose the primary network over here, and this feature allows you to connect to multiple Wi-Fi networks at once in order to increase the Wi-Fi speed. So if you feel like the Wi-Fi speed is lacking, you can try to connect to two Wi-Fis at the same time to try to increase that speed. Another cool feature that I found is in mobile networks, and it is the Xiaomi offline communication. And this can be quite useful in situations where you are completely offline and you want to communicate with another device. And it is possible to do so through Bluetooth. Over here you can choose who can call you, and you can of course share your location with nearby people. This can be useful, for example, for like some small communications in a situation, like I mentioned, where we don't have any signal and we don't have Wi-Fi. Now this is of course very, very specific, because in order to actually make it work, the other person has to have the Xiaomi offline communication as well. So if they have, let's say, Samsung or iPhone, naturally this won't work because they don't have that offline communication feature. But if your friend or friends also have Xiaomi smartphones or similar brands, of course, if they support Xiaomi offline communication, then it should work just fine. If you're looking for AI tools or information about AI features that you have on your phone, you can easily find it by going to Xiaomi Hyper AI in settings. And over here you can choose AI App Boost in order to find the list of these AI tools. I also made a small video about these AI tools that we have over here and generally on Xiaomi's 15T and 15T Pro, so you can check that out. Now, besides that, if we go to notifications and status bar, over here we can customize the status bar over here by going to customize icon display. And in here you can, for example, hide icons that you don't really care about, like the VPN icon, let's say the hotspot, the DND mode, and so on and so forth. And you can of course enable icons that can be quite useful to know about, like let's say the connection speed, so you can always see the speed of your connection. Now we're gonna go to the home screen settings, and in here we should be able to go to system navigation. And if you use buttons for navigation, we have 3 shortcuts that we can set up. 2 actually if you want to use circle to search, and that is the press and hold menu button, which can be used for any of these things that we have listed over here, and press and hold the back button, which has pretty much the list of the same options. So for example, you can press and hold the menu or back button in order to, let's say, launch the digital assistant, toggle the flashlight, or maybe capture a screenshot. In the home screen settings, we can also go to arrange items in recents. This is pretty much the list of background apps, and by default we use the vertical style, where in order to close something we need to swipe to the left or to the right if you want to just close a single app, which might be quite intuitive to use. So you might want to switch to horizontal view, where we can swipe up in order to quickly close a single app. In the home screen settings, we can also choose animation speed, and we can actually speed up these animations to be faster. So if you feel like your phone is too sluggish, you might want to increase the animation speed over here. Now we're gonna go to sound and vibration. And in here, if you scroll down, you should be able to find sound effects, where we can choose if you prefer to use Dolby Atmos or Xiaomi sound. We can also go to graphic equalizer, and we can choose an EQ for the audio on our phone. So if you feel like there should be some tweaking done to the speakers, for example, if you want to have more bass, for example, then you can choose one of these presets, or you can go with the custom one, and you can adjust these frequencies or loudness of these frequencies by yourself if you know actually what they do. Next, we're gonna go to personalization, and in here we can find fingerprint effects, where of course we have these standard minimalistic effects, but we can also find some additional and different effects that we can use. And I personally find this one to be the coolest one, but of course we can choose literally anything that we have over here. We have many different options to choose from, so of course be sure to visit to set up a pretty cool animation. And the last thing that I want to show you is for Xiaomi 15T Pro. If we go to battery, and then over here we should be able to find the charging options, and in here we have the reverse wireless charging. So we can use our Xiaomi 15T Pro and charge other devices wirelessly with the battery that we have on our phone. So if you have any device that can be charged wirelessly, when you enable this option, you can place it on the back of the phone in order to start charging. So if you desperately need to quickly charge something, you can consider using reverse wireless charging. And that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.